Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp and grits. Start by prepping ingredients and messy en place so cooking flows smoothly. Heat a skillet and toast grits briefly to deepen flavor, then slowly add stock while whisking to avoid lumps. Season shrimp with salt and pepper and sauté quickly over medium-high heat for a tender finish. Keep tasting and adjust seasoning for a comforting, balanced dish. Simmer stock gently and whisk in grits to prevent clumps and ensure a silky texture that clings to shrimp. Stir frequently and reduce heat so the grits cook evenly without sticking. When nearly done, stir in butter and cheese to add richness and a creamy mouthfeel that balances the spicy, savory shrimp. Keep grits warm while you cook shrimp to serve everything hot and integrated at the table. Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for keeping you hydrated between steps while you stand at the stove, and it fits conveniently in most cup holders. I've linked it and a few other kitchen finds in the description so you can check prices and deals. Grab one if helpful. Now let's get back to the video. Get your pan very hot and work in batches so the shrimp sear instead of steam, which gives a flavorful crust. After flipping once, remove shrimp quickly to avoid rubbery texture and keep them juicy. Deglaze the pan to capture those fond bits and build a simple sauce with lemon and herbs that brightens the dish. Plate shrimp atop grits and spoon sauce over for an inviting presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.